Hi, welcome back. Today, I will give quickly the important levels for Nifty futures expiry tomorrow and Nifty index levels for expiry as well as the levels for the upcoming weeks. See, yesterday we clearly said if it is a gap down opening also, the Nifty will go up. But yesterday, Nifty tried to go up but failed and it exactly closed our support level. See, even a 1 point difference is not there. That much accuracy is there. And for tomorrow, Nifty futures level is if trades below this level 561, it will touch 507. 5078 breaking this level is very crucial. Hence, the support will hold for hope this support will hold for expiry. Else 22, 476 and 449 are the next levels. This is expiry, no? Okay. Then if trades above 22, 580, then 22, 610. Breaking 610, minor resistance at 22, 646 and will touch 22, 670. 22, 670. And above that, these are all the levels. Okay. Then we will take Nifty index. See, index closed around here. And for tomorrow, the Nifty support is at 22, 513, 510 level. If it breaks that level, the next support here only 22, 425, 423 level. And if index trades below this level for at least 15 to 30 minutes, then the next support will be 22, 345 and 342. And these levels are for upcoming weeks only. On the downside, I will explain first. In the coming weeks, the crucial support is here. If Nifty breaks down, that is on the downside. If Nifty breaks 22 260 level and close on a daily basis, then a free fall may be expected. Another 300, 400 points may fall quickly. So this 22, 263, 260 level is crucial for in the coming weeks. Okay. So on the upside, what are all the targets? Trading above, that's for tomorrow, expiry. Trades above 513 level, no? It will touch 552, 553 level. Then next is 22, 625, 622 level. That is, hope Nifty will trade in this range 22, 625, and 423 level for tomorrow. And in the coming weeks, if Nifty able to trade above 622 or close 622 level on a daily basis, a day closing is required above this level 622. Then in the coming days, 22, 670, 668, 22, 720, 722. And there is a gap here. And there will be a stiff resistance over here. 720 and 668. Because this gap has to be filled. If the gap is filled, slip of it. Gap is filled and it may go up to 22, 794 22,917, 920. And this candle is very crucial in the coming weeks. Nifty should close above this level on a daily basis and close above this level. If it is trading in between this range, there is no much hope for the up move. Nifty should close above this level. Then only further up move can be expected. 22,917, 920 level is very crucial. If this level crossed and closed above, then there is a sharp up move up to 23,761. That means we can expect some 700, 800 points quickly. And this level is very crucial. Always remember this level. 22,917, 920 should be crossed and closed above this level on a daily basis or weekly basis. Then a sharp up move from there, it may go up to 23,761 plus plus. And that's all for today. Subscribe our channel, share our leads to your friends and relatives who are actively trading in this market. Thank you.